Did you know guys, meron tayong nakita na ito papakita ko sa inyo. Kaya medyo bullish ako sa market in general because what I found out on one research, which is I also forward to my elite members, that 92% na malaking chance na ang rate ng Fed, no, they will cut interest rates by September 18. So, ibig sabihin nito, pag nag-cut rate kasi sila, of course, no, it means what they did in the past, bumaba na ang inflation sa US, thus, they're stimulating movement. They're stimulating the economy. Nag-umikot yung pera. So, pag umikot yung pera dito, of course, maganda yan sa stocks. Magbe-benefit ang buong stock market niyan. It will be very bullish to our commodity pairs. It will be a lot factors na pwede. Magkakaroon ng ISO, pansin nyo, 92% probability that they're gonna cut rates by September 18. And very, very in time on the election ng November. Diba? Na very bullish ang election, may bagong pasok na pera na pumapasok. So that's the reason why I'm telling you guys with this one, it's because yung mga pullback na makita natin sa market, let's maximize it. Position swing, makita natin ng pullback. Kasi nasa literal na bull market tayo. So yung mga pullback na nakita natin na yan, let's maximize it, no? This is the chance. Actually, last year pa nga was our very, very first chance to really put all our investment. If paulit-ulit ako niyan, between August, July, up to October, nagla-live talaga ako. Bumibili ako ng stocks. Nagte-trade ako dyan. Kasi nga, since last year, sinasabi ko na yun, last year na natin to mag-position, guys. Marami tayong makuha. Ang mali ko lang was, masyado akong maaga nag-close ng position sa US market stocks ko, sa isang port ko. Because I was actually assuming na magpo-pullback. Hindi, nag-momentum. So, halos lahat ng stocks ngayon sa US, ang hirap kumuha. Ang hirap talaga kumuha.